going to IMI today. We're gonna have a good ride sesh.
Oh yeah, I am Squid. This is Mama Bird.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about her.
Alright guys, we're almost there. It's a little windy, so it's gonna kind of suck to jump a little bit today. We're still gonna make the best of it. It's gonna be a good day. We're actually meeting another member of GoonSquad out there. His name is Ling Ling.
Everybody's been real happy this morning.
It's a little windy out here, but it's still gonna send it all day, every day.
Alright boys, got someone new to meet. Fucking Ling Ling. Look at those fucking luscious legs, man. You're not even white, you're clear, boy. Got any comments about the wind today?
Fucking sucks, mate. You gonna say that?
We're gonna say that.
Well, it fucking sucks, mate.
It fucking sucks.
How you doing? Hell yeah. Keep it up. Gang, gang. What's up? What's up?
Not really goony, but yeah. Alright, so here's the deal. Young Shark Bait and I, we're gonna race. He hasn't cleared the step down in the front or the step up. So the rules are we can double the triple and just double certain portions around here. You'll see it on video, but that's how we're gonna keep it even. You ready? Get the fuck out of my face. It's go time, bitch. He was born ready.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I don't know why you're pushing outside so far like you're gonna take me out. No, I'm not down to take people out. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I don't think it's cool to get someone hurt.
Post race interview, how you doing?
You know, man, I'm a little disappointed, but I can't be sad about anything. You know, I was off the bike for 3 years, and then my brother's been on the bike for 3 years, the last 3 years, you know.
Yeah.
So I had that break. I basically had to relearn how to ride. I was on his ass, so I'm cool with it.
Yeah,
I wasn't really on the bike for 3 years. I started riding seriously last year, just for the record.
With this new bike in the house, huh?
Are you calling me out? You're calling me out because I'm ready for it.
Oh yeah?
But I'm pretty sure that's the brains or whatever. So they're like kind of already concave, whatever. And the prospects, you have to maintain just.
Like, I know we joke around a lot, but we know we're not pro by any means, and we're not trying to be pro.
Yo, boy!
Do some squats. Do some squats here. Let's see them. Okay. We're just out here to have fun. We're just fucking around. You guys are big fans of keg? Let's go. Any comments on the day?
Well, I'd say track was pretty good this morning. A little windy, but overall, good send day.
Do we do half sends or full sends?
Full sends all day, so.
Right now we're just chilling. Think we might load up soon, but overall a good day. Any comments, guys?
Like, subscribe. We're new. We're just first try. I mean, this might suck. This might be the worst video you've ever clicked on, but just feel for us, man. Just hit that like button, subscribe, join the Goon Squad. Strong.